Today I am talking about an icon, talking about the Volkswagen Beetle, which was first introduced in 1938 in Germany, designed by, believe it or not, Ferdinand Porsche. The car was meant to be an affordable and practical vehicle for the average person. It could be produced in a mass production at a low cost. This steering wheel is from a 1992 Beetle. We'll talk more about this in a minute because this is not just your normal Beetle steering wheel, of course. But we'll take a look at some of the before pictures here and show you the finished product a little bit more in a second. But back to the car itself. The design of the Beetle, revolutionary for its time. It had the rear engine, compact size and durability, and the Beetle quickly gained popularity all over the world because of its kind of 1960s countercultural movement, kind of the hippie car, if you will. There was over 21 million Beetles produced between 1938 and 2003, making it the #1 selling car of all time until it was actually surpassed by the Toyota Corolla. The Beetle reached its peak production in the 1970s with nearly 1.3 million units sold per year. And the Beetle became a global sensation around the world thanks to its affordability, its fuel efficiency, and simplicity. The classic Beetle's production was officially phased out in 2003, where it was being produced in Mexico after a very long, successful production run. However, its legacy continues today with limited production runs of special editions that we see even up until 2025. The customer of this steering wheel wanted to really change up the interior of his Beetle. So he opted for the ergonomic thumb grips here at the 10 and 2 that we added, real carbon fiber on the top and bottom, along with that classic red racing dial at the 12 o'clock position. As a kid, I always remember the Volkswagen Beetle as a star of the movie Herbie the Love Bug back in 1968, where Herbie the car had a mind of its own. It was capable of driving and performing feats that no human driver could ever do. Herbie was a white 1963 Beetle with red, white, and blue stripes and the number 53 on the sides. The success of this movie led to several sequels over the years. And in these films, Herbie was often portrayed as more than just a car. He had a personality, loyalty, and an almost magical ability to win races. Here's a picture that we took at the Peterson Automotive Museum of Herbie the car on display. The Volkswagen Beetle is not just a car, it's a symbol of automotive history with its legacy spanning decades of global influence. From being the best-selling car of all time to becoming a beloved movie character, the Beetle's impact on culture, design, and automotive industry is profound. Despite the end of production, the Beetle remains an icon to this day, and its design continues to inspire modern cars and enthusiasts. So any vehicle that you've got, any steering wheel that you need to have restored, repaired, recovered, whatever you need, Craft Customs is your answer. We literally work on every steering wheel in the world. And just like this video, share it, subscribe to our channels, and we look forward to working with you. And as always, you're gonna love what you get. We guarantee it.